Hello friends, my name is Aftab and you're watching Aftab Computer. So welcome to my channel, and in this video I am going to show you that how you can upgrade your MikroTik OS. In my previous video I have already shown you, but at that time I had no internet connection, so I was not able to show you. I just shown you the options that how you can upgrade your MikroTik OS. So in this tutorial I'm going to show you will show you that how you can upgrade your MikroTik router board. So let's start the video, and I'm going to do it in my VMware. So this is my VMware IP 10.192.192.168.10.192. I'm going to open it. So here is the IP address 192.168.10.129. So let me show you that what we are going to do it. So here, suppose this is your internet connection, okay, and I'm going to write it internet, and the second one is our MikroTik router. This is our MikroTik. So this is MikroTik, and what you have to do, you have to just connect it each other. Internet connection is terminated on our MikroTik router board, and now what we have to do, we have to upgrade the OS version of this MikroTik router board. So this is the scenario which we are going to follow. So let's start the video, and here is the if. So I'm going to take the MikroTik here, one MikroTik, and this is the MikroTik. Here you can see, and I'm going to take the internet connection here, internet, and this is our cloud management. So this is the internet, and I'm going to connect it same as I created on Paint. Here you can see the internet and MikroTik, and here is the same scenario. I'm going to on my MikroTik, and now it is starting, so it will take time around 30 seconds or 1 minute, so we need to wait here. And now I'm going to open my Winbox, from where I can access my MikroTik router board. And after 1 minute, you can see here it will show you the MAC address of this MikroTik router board, and so we need to wait. Here you can see that MikroTik is coming in our Winbox, so just click on MAC address and connect. And after this I will show you. First of all, we need to terminate the internet connection over MikroTik router. So I'm going to create a DHCP client of Ethernet 1. Why Ethernet 1? I'm showing you why. Okay, let me show you. The internet connection is terminated on our Ethernet 1 port. Okay, so that's why I created a Ethernet 1 as a DHCP client, so that it will get the IP address automatically from internet connection, and it successfully got the IP address. Here you can see the IP address. What is the IP address? 192.168.10.131 is IP, and 2 is a gateway. Okay, so first of all we need to check that internet is coming or not on our MikroTik router, otherwise you will not be able to upgrade it, because the latest version will be download by internet. So we need to check the internet is working here or not. Ping 8.8.8.8. Yes, internet is working. So now what we have to do, we have to upgrade the OS version. So let's start the video and see the steps clearly, so that you guys can upgrade your MikroTik OS. Just go on QuickSet, and here you can see this option is check for updates. Just click on it, and it will show you that stable mode. This is the channels long-term and stable and testing and development. So here you have to choose the option where you want to upgrade your OS. So the installed version is 6.45.8, okay, and latest version is 6.47. so this is the latest version in stable mode. If I'm going on long term, so here you can see the installed version is 6.45.8 and the latest version is 6.45.9. so I'm going to upgrade it with the long term. mode, and the latest version is 6.45.9. Now you have to click on download and install. Okay, just click download and install. So here you will see the downloading is started. Okay, so it will take time as per the internet connection speed. So if you have a good internet connection, so it will download and install very fast. Otherwise it will take time. So I have connected by my phone, so it is little bit slowing, but enough for showing you. And here you can see the reboot downloaded completely and rebooting. Now it is rebooting and you will see the latest version. I'm going to take a picture of this. Okay, I took the picture. I will show you once it will started again. So this is the latest version 6.45.9. okay, now it should show the same version over here, and it is rebooting, so it will take time, 1 or 2 minutes. Yes, now it is completely rebooted. I'm going to connect it, and if we will check here, yes, this is the 6.45.9 and latest version is same. Okay, so it is upgraded successfully. If you want to upgrade on stable mode, so just come on stable, and here you can see the latest version 6.45.9. here you can see the old version was 6.45.8 and the latest version was 6.45.9. so now it is downloaded and upgraded successfully on long-term mode. So now I'm going to again downloading and installing the in stable mode. So latest version is 6.45. let me show you again. Just click on download and install option, so it will again started. Yes, it is starting and downloading. So same, it will take the time as per the internet speed, and it is very small file, like 30 or 20 MB file. It is up to 20 I think. So it is going to complete very fast, 80%, and it is 90%. yes, it is more than 20 MB file, 21 MB file. 98% is completed, and here you can see that downloaded. This is successfully downloaded and installed the OS latest version. So it will take time again. The MikroTik is rebooting right now. After rebooted it, I will connect it and it will come here. Yes, it is coming now, so I'm going to connect it. Okay, so let's check the OS version. What is the OS version? Now you can see installed version is 6.45. so with the help of this video, now you can upgrade your OS. I hope video is helpful for you. If video is helpful, so please subscribe my channel so that you will get the notification whenever I will upload the video. So let's catch up in my next video. Bye bye.